Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Derivative questions get easy fast when you turn the rate into the function, use the starting value, and then plug in the target time. Start by integrating dx over dt equals 4t cubed. So x equals t to the fourth plus a constant, because integration reverses differentiation and gives the whole position function. Now use the condition x equals 5 when t equals 1. So 5 equals 1 to the fourth plus c, which means 5 equals 1 plus c and c equals 4. That makes x of t equal t to the fourth plus 4, and plugging in t equals 2 gives 16 plus 4, or 20. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs or steps. Rule, trust the given condition and check each step carefully.